An old growth forest for you. So this is about as big as the trees get when you're at 8,000 feet. Hi. Pretty patient. You're not even going to flinch? There we go. Thank you. You're a fine looking animal. Up here to the Flaming Gorge because I knew the tourists wouldn't be out in mass. At least I figured there'd only be a few. I didn't know I'd have an entire national monument to myself. That's right. All of this right now, today, is all mine. There's the edge. And there's 2,000 feet down. Well, here I am, 8,491 feet above sea level. And I'm at this summit here, dropping down into Vernal, Utah. And this is what it looks like. Light snow. Nice and calm out, no winds. About 36 degrees, just right. All the way up here, I figure I have an all-terrain vehicle, four-wheel drive. I should be able to drive to 10,000 feet, but no. They won't let me. Look at that, they've locked me out. Nice lock and chain. Pretty cool out here. I'm the only one around here though. I came all the way up here to cruise around, and I have been. I've been cruising around everywhere, but there's nobody else around, so. Don't jump unless you have wings. It's the Idaho desert, so it's dry out here and definitely won't find any water. Whoa, there's water. It's a river. The Snake River. Whoa, what's that? Water coming out of solid rock? No, I must be imagining this in the desert. See, there's no water anywhere along over here. Whoa! More water there. There's water coming out of that hillside. There's some there. Oh, yeah. It just keeps on going, people. Water gushing out of solid rock. Oh, that's a nice one there. Looks like they even have a power plant hooked up to that one. That could generate some power, no doubt. What else do we have down there? More water just coming out of the ground, shooting off the side of a cliff.